Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna to explain all you need from materials to lighting and render setting to have a realistic render in the morning for any exterior model to get results like this. First of all, you have to speed your model by going to style and edit and unmark all of these. And on the left corner you'll find this logo. Click on it and go to statistics and purge unused and fix problems. First, I'm going really fast to show up you the materials used in this models. Always recommend to use components in your model so you can change the material simply by changing it in one group. For the landscape, I recommend to use Lauberg library. So I use these trees for this one, and for landscape also I use this one here and this one also here. To download Lauberg, just Google it and go to the home page. Go to products or store, check the free one and add to cart, then check out and fill your personal information and purchase. For lighting, we turning off the sunlight and we gonna to use, and depending on all, on dome light, to choose dome light from here and add it and rotate it and make sure that the direction you want to the light appear in it. So I will choose, for example, this direction. I will change the color to make it light yellow and change the intensity HDMI map from here. You will find the link in the description. For example, I will choose this one. Please make sure you have these render elements in your model. I will explain how to use it to provide a realistic images render in Photoshop. And for render setting, please follow my lead. Make sure you have saved in any folder. You will find this model in the description to free download it and render on your own. Have a nice render.